Hi! In this video we're going to see how we can work with complex structures. That means structures composed by other structures. In this case we have here a dictionary with keys are strings and values are integers. But let's say that we define a new dictionary in which the key is person 1, let's say, and the value, instead of being a number or a strings, is in turn another dictionary. Let's say name, for example, and value, and age, which is this one. If it's easier for you, you can write here this in different lines, but at the end we have a unique key and the value is a composed structure. It's not simple, it's not an integer, it's not a string, it's in this case a dictionary. And we can use another key different from the previous one in order to define a new composed element. In this case, let's say Bob and value 20. And finally, we can define the third person in a similar way. Charlie, 27. And this can be put here, and as you can observe, we have a dictionary which values are dictionaries as well. So, if we want to access the element of, let's say, key person 1, we know that we can do names and brackets person 1, but this will return this value that it's in turn a dictionary. So this returns a dictionary. So we can assign this value to a result, let's say, and this result is a dictionary, this dictionary. So given this result, we can access the key name that is unique inside this dictionary, taking into account that this name is repeated in different dictionaries. In the same dictionary, the key name is unique. So if we access name, this will return this value. Let's say so here we retrieve this value, and using this we can retrieve this value by using the name. So we can do this by two indexing operations. I mean, this will give us this value that is a dictionary, and giving this dictionary we can access to the key name that will return this one. So this double indexing is really useful for working with dictionaries that are composed by dictionaries. Take into account that the first indexing returns this value and the second indexing works with this dictionary and returns the value of this key. In a similar way, we can have a list composed by dictionaries or a dictionary composed by lists. For example, we can say that we have a list of names, let's say with different elements, where the first element is this one, that is a list, the second element is this one, that is another list, a dictionary, sorry, and the third element is another dictionary. Well, let's put this in the same line. And in a similar way, if we access names of position 2, this will return this dictionary. So, given this dictionary, we can access by double indexing, let's say, the value of age. Let's say this. So the double indexing allows us to work with composed structures. In this case, lists composed by dictionaries. And this will give us a much more flexibility to work with data structures. Thanks for watching.